Do you love TikTok but hate the bright white interface? There's good news, you can get dark mode. In this quick and easy TikTok tutorial video, I'll show you how to enable dark mode on TikTok. This hidden feature makes the app easier on your eyes, and it's perfect for late night scrolling. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how to enable dark mode on TikTok. First of all, open up the TikTok app and then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are on your TikTok profile, tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen. And then tap on Settings and Privacy. When you are on this page, you will see an option called Dark Mode, so go ahead and tap on that. So now all you have to do next is simply tap on Dark, and that will enable the dark mode on your TikTok application. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.